Hey everyone, Divya here, your mind coach. So we all have this one piece of cloth or many such pieces, I think, lying in the cupboard for years together, but we never get our hands on that. So I had one such coat. So because it's like so chill outside, and I had to go to an event today, I thought finally I'm going to wear that. I think it's been like lying there in my cupboard for over at least a minimum of 5 to 6 years, and I've never worn it once. And I have many such pieces, and I'm so sure all of you have many such pieces. And then we always keep telling, I have nothing to wear. So today I thought I'll wear it to the program or the event which I'm going. And I usually am not this iron kind of a person, but somehow I felt I will press it. It didn't need, actually. It was this kind of a satin and silk finish. But when I did, the sleeve got burnt. And I felt really pathetic, you know. It was like such a beautiful piece and a floral printed one. Obviously, I grieved for a while, and then I moved on. I moved on, but like always, when something happens, I give it a thought. And today also I was giving it a thought that mostly in life I usually don't give up on anything or anyone so easily. So definitely I'm going to try and mend this, repair it, do some patchwork, and then I'm going to wear it again. So I was just reflecting on this, that exactly is the same with everything in life. If your heart is broken, I mean, I think you usually use only with heart, but I think even mind and soul gets broken at times, you know. It becomes important to take time and give it attention, and then work on the areas which has been bothering us. Like mostly in life, you know, everything which you give attention to, definitely it's going to become even more beautiful than what it was before. Like definitely, like, so for example, recently I had a few pimples pop up on my skin, and then I was really concerned, and I took a lot of care for a few months, and then I was very regular at it. And then I saw in a month span of time my skin problems were fixed. I didn't need any parlor or a skin specialist or anyone to help me with that, you know. Like I could do it myself. So this is when I felt everything we have a problem with, you know, it just demands for an extra attention from our side. That's what. So are you willing to put in that amount of effort and then give that attention or the special focus to that particular area until it is fixed? It can be anything. It can be your work, your relationships, your physical health, mental health, anything for that matter. So as if it was not enough that I had burnt my coat, after a while I dropped my makeup palette. So again, one of it popped out, and then it fell, and then I had to clean up the mess. But this didn't actually hurt me a lot, you know. Like it didn't mind it at all. I just cleaned, and I realized how much we get attached to objects, and it is so important to keep in mind the impermanence of things, that you know, and nothing is going to last forever. Even human beings, we are not going to go be thriving forever. So eventually that product would have got over, and then I would have had to do away with it. So it doesn't make a big difference, you know. So I made a choice to not let that spoil my mood. So obviously now I'm I'm yet to go to the event, and I'm all smiles. And then I have not let what happened today, I have not let it affect me much. No, if it, in fact, no, not at all. So I am perfectly fine, although I really felt bad over the coat, the burnt coat. But that's okay, it happens. We mess up, and then things happen, shit happens, and then we really have to move on and decide to be a little extra careful the next time. Also, if you have something like that in your cupboard, in your shelf, something which you have not used, and then you're waiting for a special occasion, if at all. Find an occasion, create one, and then go wear that. Please don't wait forever, because you're obviously going to keep buying new stuff. But then life is a celebration, so you don't actually need an occasion to celebrate or wear that something which is lying in your cupboard all this while, because I know you have bought it because you love it. You might as well wear it and enjoy. Take care. Divya here, your mind coach, signing off.